Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB or Listening Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Python in DSA, and we are also doing Python Artificial Intelligence project, and I hope you are understanding that. So today we are just building an amazing bank system, and we'll be building this amazing you can say bank management system using Python in artificial intelligence. We have also built previously bank management system, but that was the banking, I think, that management system. But today we are building an amazing backend bank management system, and I hope you'll be understanding this video of this bank management system which we are building through Python and artificial intelligence. So if you understand and enjoy this video, remember to hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. So now we'll be starting with our video, and we'll be seeing start to end what project we are building today, and how we are building it from start, and what languages we will be using in this project. So just like I've telling you that today we are just building an amazing project here, and we'll be just building this project using Python in artificial intelligence. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing that how we will be building this. So for building this amazing project, we have to open our just folder. So I will be just opening my folder which I've created here. So my folder is on my downloads, and I've telling you that we are building an amazing bank management system which is the backend. Previously we have also built that, but that was the banking management system and that was not the backend one. Today we are building this backend one project here. So I will be now just moving here, and then I will be zooming in so you can just see my all the codes which I am doing here. So I will be now writing here import pickle. Then I will be importing here OS like this. Then you have to import here Pardley. After importing this, you have to now write here class account, and then you have to now just move here after this and write here account number is equals to, then you have to write here 0, name is equals to, then you have to write colon, and write here deposit is equals to 0, write here type, and then you have to write this colon, write def create account, and then when you've written this you have to write here self, and write here self dot account number, and then you have to write here is equals to init, and in init I will be now just writing here input, and then you have to write here enter the account number. So here user can just see the amount in their account number, and after writing the name in your account number, you have to just move down after this, write here self dot name is equals to input, and in input I will be now writing here enter the name, then here I will be now writing here account holder name. Then when you've written this, here you have to just give space from here like this, then you have to write here self dot type, and then you have to write here input, and in input I will be now just writing here enter the type of, then I will be writing here account, then you have to now just write here the type of account C/S, then you have to now just move down, write here self dot deposit. So here I will be now writing here is equals to input, and then after writing this you have to now just write here init first of all, then I will be now writing here input, and here you have to now just write here enter the initial. So here I will be now writing enter the initial amount. So here I will be now writing this, then you have to write this tag, and then write here is equals to 500 for saving. Now when you've written this, here you have to now just do one thing here, like here when you've written this 500 for saving, then you have to now just move here and write here and write is equals to 1000 for, and then write here current, then you have to close this colon by writing this, and after closing this, just I will be now moving down after this tag, and then here you can see we have just written this. I will be now writing here print \n like this, and then again, and here you have to write account created. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing def show account, and here you have to write self, then you have to just write here print account number, then you have to now just do one thing here, I will be writing self dot, then write here account number, then when you've written this, write here print and write here account holder name. So here I will be writing, and here you have to now just write comma self dot name, then when you've written this, here you have to write print, and then you have to write here type of account. So here I will be now writing type of account like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just writing comma self dot type, then you have to write here print, and then you have to write here balance, and here you have to now just write like this and write comma self dot deposit, And when you've written this thing, just here I will be now doing one thing. I will be moving down right here, def, modify. Then I will be now writing here account, self. Then here you have to write print and write here account number and write it like this tag. And here you have to write self dot account number and write here self dot name. And now you have to just write is equals to input. And here you have to write here modify. So here I will be now just write here modify like this and write here account holder name. So here I will be now writing here account holder name. Then when you've written this, you have to write here self dot and write here type is equals to, then write here input modify. Then you have to write here type of account like this. And then when you've written this, here you have to now just move down, write here self dot deposit. And here you have to write here init. So here I will be now writing init input. Then I will be now just writing here modify balance. So here I will be now writing this. And when you've written this, just you have to move forward. And here you have to just write here def deposit. And then I will be now writing here amount. And here you have to write self comma amount. And then you have to just move down right here self dot deposit. So here I will be now writing like this. And here you have to just write plus is equals to amount. Then you have to just write here def withdraw. Then I will be now writing here amount self. Then I will be writing here amount. Then you have to just now move down right here self dot deposit. Then I will be now writing here dash is equals to amount. Then when you've written this thing, just here you have to write def report. And then you have to write here self. Then you have to now write here print and write here self. And then write here dot account number. Then when you've written this, you have to write here comma. Then write here comma self dot name and write here like this. And then you have to write here comma self dot type. And here you have to write comma again and write here comma self dot deposit. Then I will be now just moving here. And then you have to just write def get account number like this. Write here self. And then you have to move down. Write a tag which will be like return self dash account number. Then you have to just write here def get account holder name. Then I will be now writing here self. Write here return self name. Then I will be now just writing here def get account and write here type and write here self. And then when you've written this, here you have to just now write here return self type. Then when you've written this, write here def get deposit. So here I will be now writing like this. Write here self and write here return self and then write here deposit. And then when you've written this, here you have to now just move down and write def intro and write here print. And then when you've written this, backslash t backslash t backslash t. Then you have to now just write this tag like this. Now when you've written this, just you have to write print tag. Then write here backslash t like this. We have written at the top as well. Then write here bank management system. Here I will be now writing this. And after writing this tag, you have to now just save it. And after saving this, like if I just show you, you can see we have just written this all things here. Like we have just created at the top. And after writing here, I will be writing enter so we can just get it. Now for running it, you have to just move here in your downloads project. Then move on to your bank management system, which we are getting here. Then I will be opening this file directly. You can open it with the help of, you can say Python 3.10. And after opening this, when you will be opening, so your project will be running directly. So opening with Python, you can see now we are just getting it here. Now it is telling you that from 1 you can create new account, from 2 you can deposit your amount in your account, from 3 you can withdraw your amount, and from 4 you can balance inquiry and then all that stuff. So we will be now pressing 1 because we have not created any account yet. Now I will be writing here account number should be 2012. Then account holder name, I will be writing my name. Then here enter the type of account. You can just write the type of account like good type like this. Randomly I'm writing. And now it is asking me that you have to write the initial amount. I will be writing here 2500. After writing the amount, you can just, it will be removing the account because now you have created your account. Now if I just open my text editor again, so it is now telling you that all account holder is 5. So 2012. Okay, so I'll be now pressing 1, 2012, account holder name, then a type of account. and then you have to just write the 500 to 1000. So you can see now like this it will be removing. So here you can see, you can run it here. So after running, you can see we will be getting to enter the account number 2012, and like this you can see you can enter your account number and you can use it here. You can see this. So these are the thing which we are getting. Three, you can also withdraw your amount in your account number which you have created. So like this you can just create this project here. So I hope you understand how you can build this amazing back-end bank management system, because previously we have built the front end one with the ticketer. So if you have understand this video and enjoy this, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this amazing project using these all amazing languages. So I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.